Amazing homemade skin whitening body scrub recipe. Rice powder is a good anti-inflammatory and skin whitening agent that makes the skin smooth and fairer naturally. Sugar works as a great exfoliating agent for the skin. Olive oil contains essential nutrients and moisturizing properties that make the skin soft and beautiful. Honey helps to bleach your skin and also acts as a moisturizing agent. It has antibacterial properties also. Mix 2 teaspoons of rice powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of honey in a bowl. Mix it well. Apply this mixture on your skin. Leave it for 20 minutes and then wash with lukewarm water. Follow this remedy daily for 2 weeks to get fairer skin naturally.